The story of the bicycle begins not with pedals and chains, but with a simple wooden frame and two wheels in line. This early design laid the foundation for what would become a revolutionary mode of transportation. In 1817, Karl Drais, a German inventor, introduced his Laufmaschine, running machine, later known as the Draisienne. This invention was a significant leap forward in personal mobility. This contraption, devoid of pedals, allowed riders to propel themselves forward using their feet on the ground. It was a novel idea that combined simplicity with functionality. While rudimentary, the Draisienne sparked imaginations and set the stage for future developments. People began to see the potential for a new way to travel short distances quickly and efficiently. Fast forward to the 1860s, and enter the velocipede, also known as the bone shaker. This new design was a significant improvement over the Draisienne. This iteration incorporated pedals attached to the front wheel, offering a more efficient way to propel the machine. Riders no longer needed to push off the ground, making the ride smoother and faster. The velocipede's popularity surged, particularly in France, and paved the way for further experimentation and innovation in bicycle design. It marked the beginning of a new era in personal transportation, leading to the modern bicycles we know today. The quest for speed led to a peculiar yet iconic design, the penny farthing. Emerging in the 1870s, this bicycle featured a massive front wheel dwarfing its smaller rear counterpart. The large wheel size allowed for greater distance covered per pedal stroke, making the penny farthing the fastest human-powered vehicle of its time. However, the penny farthing's towering stature came with inherent risks. The high center of gravity made mounting and dismounting a precarious endeavor. Falls were frequent and often resulted in serious injuries. Despite its drawbacks, the penny farthing enjoyed a period of immense popularity, captivating the public imagination and fueling a growing enthusiasm for cycling. The inherent dangers of the penny farthing, with its large front wheel and high center of gravity, spurred inventors to seek safer alternatives. These early pioneers were determined to create a more stable and user-friendly bicycle. The 1880s witnessed a pivotal shift with the emergence of the safety bicycle, a groundbreaking innovation in cycling history. This revolutionary design featured two wheels of equal size, a chain drive system, and a frame that was much more balanced. The lower center of gravity significantly enhanced rider safety, making it far less likely for cyclists to topple over. The Rover safety bicycle, introduced by John Kemp Starley in 1885, is widely regarded as the first commercially successful safety bicycle. Its design set the standard for future bicycles. The safety bicycle's design not only addressed safety concerns, but also paved the way for widespread adoption. It became a symbol of progress and innovation. Its stability and ease of use made cycling accessible to a broader population, including those who had previously been excluded from the activity. This included women and older individuals who found the new design much more approachable and safe. This marked a turning point, transforming the bicycle from a niche novelty into a practical and popular mode of transportation. The modern bicycle was born, changing the way people moved and interacted with their world. The late 19th century witnessed a confluence of factors that propelled the bicycle into the mainstream. Advances in manufacturing, particularly the development of interchangeable parts, enabled mass production, making bicycles more affordable and accessible to the masses. This period also saw the emergence of specialized bicycle manufacturers, further driving innovation and competition. The result was a veritable bicycle craze that swept across Europe and North America. Bicycles became ubiquitous on city streets and country roads as people embraced this newfound freedom of mobility. The bicycle's impact extended beyond personal transportation, influencing fashion, architecture, and even social norms. Section 5. Societal Impacts. Emancipation, Recreation, and Beyond. The bicycle's impact on society, particularly for women, was profound. Before the bicycle, women's mobility was often restricted by societal norms and cumbersome clothing. The safety bicycle, with its more practical design, offered women a newfound sense of freedom and independence. Cycling became a symbol of female empowerment, challenging traditional gender roles and paving the way for greater social equality. Beyond its emancipatory influence, the bicycle also fostered a love for outdoor recreation and physical fitness. cycling clubs and organizations sprung up, promoting camaraderie and exploration. Section 6. Gearing up, derailleurs and the evolution of cycling. The early 20th century saw continued innovation in bicycle technology, further enhancing performance and versatility. One notable advancement was the development of the derailleur gear system. Invented in the late 19th century but refined in the 1920s and 30s, the derailleur allowed riders to shift gears, adapting to varying terrain and riding conditions. This innovation revolutionized cycling, particularly for long-distance touring and competitive racing. Riders could now tackle hills with greater ease and maintain higher speeds on flat stretches. The derailleur gear system marked a significant step towards the sophisticated multi-geared bicycles we know today. Section 7. Pedaling through history, bicycles in times of war. The bicycle's utility extended beyond everyday life, proving invaluable during times of conflict. Both World War I and World War II saw bicycles deployed for various military purposes. Their agility and maneuverability made them ideal for reconnaissance missions, message delivery, and troop transport, particularly in areas where motorized vehicles struggled. Bicycles played a crucial role in maintaining communication lines and supporting troops on the ground. Their silent operation and low profile made them particularly effective for stealth operations. The bicycle's contribution to wartime efforts solidified its reputation as a reliable and versatile tool. Section 8. From tracks to trails, the rise of bicycle racing and specialized designs. The thrill of speed and competition has been intertwined with cycling since its early days. The late 19th century saw the emergence of organized bicycle racing, both on velodromes and open roads. As racing gained popularity, it spurred technological advancements, with manufacturers constantly seeking to improve aerodynamics, weight, and efficiency. This pursuit of performance led to specialized bicycle designs tailored to specific racing disciplines, from track cycling to road racing. The development of lightweight materials such as aluminum alloys and later carbon fiber further enhanced bicycle performance, pushing the boundaries of speed and endurance. Section 9. Mountain mania, conquering new terrain. The 1970s witnessed the birth of a new cycling discipline that would take the world by storm: mountain biking. Originating in California, mountain biking emerged from a desire to explore rugged terrain beyond paved roads. Enthusiasts modified existing bicycles, adding wider tires, stronger frames, and powerful brakes to handle the demands of off-road riding. Mountain biking quickly gained traction, evolving from a niche pursuit to a mainstream sport. The development of specialized mountain bikes with suspension systems and advanced gear ranges further fueled its popularity. Mountain biking opened up a world of possibilities for cyclists, allowing them to experience the thrill of riding on challenging trails and immersing themselves in nature. Section 10. Back to the Future, Urban Cycling and Bicycle Advocacy. In recent decades, there has been a resurgence of interest in cycling, particularly in urban environments. This renewed enthusiasm is not just a passing trend, but a significant shift in how people view transportation in cities. Growing concerns about traffic congestion, air pollution, and the health benefits of active transportation have led many cities to invest in cycling infrastructure, including dedicated bike lanes, bike-sharing programs, and pro-cycling policies. These initiatives aim to make cycling a safer and more convenient option for daily commutes. This shift towards cycling as a viable mode of urban transportation has been bolstered by the efforts of bicycle advocacy groups. These groups work tirelessly to push for better infrastructure and policies that support cyclists. These organizations advocate for safer cycling infrastructure, promote cycling education, and raise awareness about the benefits of cycling. They organize community events, workshops, and safety campaigns to encourage more people to take up cycling. The result is a growing movement that views cycling not just as a recreational activity, but as a sustainable and integral part of urban mobility. This movement is transforming cities, making them more livable and environmentally friendly, one pedal at a time. Section 11. The Electric Revolution, Pedaling into the Future. The 21st century has witnessed a new chapter in the bicycle's evolution, the rise of electric bicycles, or e-bikes. E-bikes incorporate an electric motor that provides assistance while pedaling, allowing riders to cover longer distances, climb hills with ease, and arrive at their destinations without breaking a sweat. E-bikes have gained significant popularity, particularly for commuting and recreational riding. They offer a practical solution for individuals who might find traditional cycling physically challenging or time-consuming. The electric revolution in cycling is still in its early stages, but it holds immense potential to transform how we move, promoting sustainable transportation and making cycling accessible to an even wider demographic.